Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Money Saver Society. Are you looking for ways to earn extra cash without leaving the comfort of your home? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 online side hustles that are perfect for beginners. We'll explore a diverse range of opportunities, from creative pursuits like freelance writing and graphic design to more practical options like online surveys and transcription. The beauty of these side hustles is that they offer flexibility, allowing you to work at your own pace and around your existing schedule. So, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking to boost your income, these side hustles can empower you to take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals. Let's dive right in. A blog is a great way to do this. Next, pitch your services to small businesses or bloggers who need engaging content for their websites. You can find potential clients through various online platforms or even through social media. Don't underestimate the earning potential here. Depending on the length and complexity of the articles, you can charge anywhere from $10 to $100 per piece. As you gain experience and build a strong portfolio, you can even increase your rates. Remember, consistency is key in the world of freelance writing. The more you write, the better you'll become, and the more opportunities will come your way. So start crafting those compelling stories and watch your income grow. Are you a whiz at math, a grammar guru, or fluent in another language? If so, online tutoring might be the perfect side hustle for you. Various platforms connect you with students of all ages who need help in various subjects. Create a profile highlighting your expertise, experience, and qualifications. Set your hourly rates and availability, keeping in mind peak tutoring hours. Remember, clear communication and patience are essential when working with students online. The earning potential for online tutoring is quite promising, with hourly rates ranging from $15 to $50 or more. Specializing in in-demand subjects or offering personalized lessons can command higher rates. So, dust off those textbooks, embrace your inner educator, and make a difference in students' lives while earning a decent income. Do you excel at organization? Do you have a knack for administrative tasks? Or do you enjoy managing social media? If so, becoming a virtual assistant could be your path to a fulfilling and flexible side hustle. Start by identifying your skills and the services you can offer. This might include email management, scheduling appointments, social media marketing, customer support, or even bookkeeping. Next, create a professional online presence. This could be a website, a professional profile, or even a dedicated social media page showcasing your skills and experience. Reach out to potential clients directly or join freelance platforms that connect virtual assistants with businesses. As your client base grows, so will your earning potential. Virtual assistants typically charge between $10 to $30 per hour, depending on the complexity of tasks and their experience level. So embrace your inner superhero, help businesses thrive, and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that come with being a virtual assistant. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Earn passive income while you sleep. If you love sharing your favorite products or services with others, affiliate marketing could be your ticket to passive income. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, whether it's beauty, technology, travel, or anything in between. Next, find reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services you genuinely believe in. There are many platforms available to get started. Once you've joined a program, start promoting your chosen products or services through engaging content. This could be blog posts, social media updates, email marketing, or even YouTube videos. The key to success in affiliate marketing is authenticity and building trust with your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The earning potential is vast, with commissions ranging from a few cents to hundreds of dollars per sale. Chapter 5. Online Surveys and Market Research. Get paid for your opinion. Do you enjoy sharing your thoughts and opinions? Believe it or not, you can actually get paid for doing just that. Online surveys and market research companies are always looking for consumers to provide feedback on products, services, and trends. Several legitimate platforms offer paid survey opportunities. Sign up for a few different sites to maximize your earning potential. Once you've created an account, you'll start receiving invitations to participate in surveys that match your demographic and interests. You'll earn points or cash for each survey you complete, which you can later redeem for rewards like gift cards, PayPal cash, or even merchandise. While online surveys won't make you rich, they're an easy and enjoyable way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Chapter 6. Sell digital products. Turn your knowledge into profit. Are you an expert in a specific field or passionate about a particular topic? Why not package your knowledge into a digital product and sell it online? Digital products have minimal overhead costs and offer excellent earning potential. Consider creating ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, stock photos, or even music and sound effects. The possibilities are endless. Once you've created your digital masterpiece, choose a platform to sell it on. Popular options include platforms for handmade or vintage items and digital downloads, platforms for seamless digital product delivery, or even your own website. Promote your products through social media, your blog, or email marketing to drive traffic and boost sales. The earning potential for digital products depends on the demand for your product and your pricing strategy. However, with the right marketing and a high-quality product, you can generate a significant income stream. Chapter 8. Dropshipping. Start an e-commerce business without inventory. Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store but dreaded the thought of managing inventory? Well, dropshipping might be the perfect solution for you. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products online without ever holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store and partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. When a customer places an order on your store, the order is fulfilled directly by your dropshipping supplier. The key to success in dropshipping is finding a profitable niche, sourcing high-quality products, and creating a compelling brand that resonates with your target audience. You'll also need to invest time in marketing your store through social media, search engine optimization, or paid advertising to drive traffic and generate sales. Dropshipping offers significant earning potential, with profit margins typically ranging from 10 to 30% per sale. Are you a good listener with excellent typing skills? If so, transcription services might be the perfect side hustle for you. Transcription involves listening to audio or video recordings and converting them into written text. Many industries require transcription services, including legal, medical, business, and media. To get started, you can sign up on various transcription platforms. These platforms connect transcribers with clients and offer a variety of projects to choose from. You'll typically need to pass a skills test to demonstrate your typing accuracy and listening comprehension. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you can increase your rates and take on more specialized projects. Transcription rates vary depending on the complexity of the audio, the turnaround time, and the platform you're using. However, transcribers can typically earn $15 to $25 per audio hour or more. Do you live and breathe social media? Are you a master at crafting engaging captions and growing online communities? If so, social media management could be your calling. Many businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers need help managing their social media presence. Start by building your own social media profiles to showcase your expertise. Create high-quality content, engage with your followers, and experiment with different social media strategies. Next, reach out to potential clients directly or join freelance platforms to find social media management gigs. Your responsibilities as a social media manager might include creating and scheduling social media posts, running paid advertising campaigns, engaging with followers, analyzing social media data, and staying up to date on the latest social media trends. Social media managers typically charge $15 to $50 per hour or more, depending on the scope of work and their experience level. Do you have an eye for design and a passion for creating visually appealing graphics? If so, online freelance graphic design could be your path to a rewarding and lucrative side hustle. From logos and branding materials to website designs and social media graphics, there's a high demand for talented graphic designers in today's digital landscape. To get started, build a portfolio showcasing your best design work. You can create a website, use online portfolio platforms, or even showcase your work on social media. Next, promote your services on freelance platforms or reach out to potential clients directly. Freelance graphic designers typically charge $25 to $75 per hour or more, depending on the complexity of the projects and their experience level. And there you have it, 10 incredible online side hustles that can empower you to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're drawn to the creative freedom of freelance writing or graphic design, or prefer the structured approach of online surveys or transcription, there's an opportunity out there for everyone. The key to success in any side hustle is to choose something that aligns with your interests and skills, set realistic goals, and stay consistent with your efforts. Remember, building a successful side hustle takes time and dedication, but the rewards are well worth it. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these exciting opportunities today and take the first step towards achieving your financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe to the Money Saver Society for more money-making tips and tricks.